Welcome back. In my DB servers, I want to I want to connect my database. So first of all, I want to let my SQL require my SQL. After that, I want to get instance. That is not for that. I want to let connection is equal to mysql dot create connection. For that, I want to create my connection. Here I want to give it my I want to give my database name or host name. So I have here, I want to copy it and I want to give that control V. Now you can see here is my database. You can your you can you are you can your connect your database with your front end. So I have need to in single quotes like that. No, something went wrong. What is that? I have to need to user first, user, and the other one is I want to password at x, and after that I want to take password. After the password I want to get password. After that I want to take my host, control X. Now you can see it is looking better. So after that I want to check my connection. For that I have a function connection dot connect. After for that, if error, then you have need to show error. For that, if error, then throw error. Error dot message. If there is not error, then it have to need to show need to show it need to show the console. After that, if I am go ahead, control S, now you can see our database is connected. So in my database I have already something like that.